Okay, let's see. This is cool. I don't know nobody's watching this, so that's why I decided that it was necessary to get myself a direct. No, a live. Holy crap! You're supposed to say live. Okay, forget it. Forget it. Okay. What am I doing this? Why? I don't know. I just wanted to try this out. Oh wait, there's someone watching this. No, there's no one watching this. I think so. Or is it? No, I don't think so. Okay, let's just try this out. Let's see if this works out properly. If I have to do some things to fix this crap. Sorry if I said that word. That's not what I meant. Okay, let's see how this looks. Apparently, it looks good. No, it doesn't. I need to get a higher resolution camera because this is not looking good. Okay, what else? What else do I have to use? I don't know. For all the people, well, nobody's here, but if someone's watching this, please have in mind that I don't have a topic right now. I don't have anything to talk about, so that's why I'm just spacing out and saying nothing but nonsense. So, okay, let's see. What do I have here? What I have here is just my notebook. Yeah, and that's pretty much what I have to say. Goodbye. No, just kidding, just kidding. Just kidding. Okay. Something that I wanted to actually try later is how the how the SRS systems work, the space repetition systems. Because I've seen that when it comes to learning vocabulary, for example, for languages like Japanese or not just Japanese because that's the only one I use for, it's really useful because you are learning a writing system that you don't know because it's not the classic one that we already well we that we most of the people use. That's why it's very useful. But for learning words, I mean for you know getting yourself exposed to this content, I don't think SRS is as useful as all people think. Because yeah, I know that when you expose yourself to the content, you're starting to learn it, you're starting to acquire it. And that's why I think that when you are, for example, trying to memorize things with these systems, like, oh no, he said SRS, I got to talk about, I don't know, like medicine. I know this medicine, its scientific name is, I don't know. Yeah, for example, in those cases, yeah, you can learn it without a problem. But when it comes to languages, I think it's a little bit different. Why? Because I don't remember the name of the teacher or the guy that said this, is that to acquiring languages is a subconscious process. And that's why when you expose yourself to the content, as I said before, you are learning it. Okay, you are keeping that inside your mind. You're keeping it in your memory. You are actually, getting the meaning of that instead of just, oh, holy crap, there was actually someone in the video. Holy shit. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to say that. Oh, damn it. But anyways, SRS. What I was talking about? Yeah, and that's what I think memorization, according to a lot of sources, is pretty useful. Um, well, sorry, it's not very useful. I didn't mean to say that. Just like getting yourself that process of acquiring languages is actually useful when you just want to be able to stick all that information and make it as accessible as possible because you are not learning anything. You are not just having like a big old list of words where you are just recalling all the stuff that you just saw. No, it's something that's actually inside of your head that there's a domain that you just have conquered. And that's why I think like acquiring this language is more, you say, complex. I'm not an expert in this topic. I gotta be honest. I've seen some videos of Math versus Japan or another conferences related to this topic, but I'm not an expert. Most of the things that I'm saying are from the point of view, so I mean my point of say just a beginner, someone that doesn't know too much about these topics, this stuff, but actually trying to get himself into this so he can actually start teaching, so he can actually help people to reach a good level of, you know, language learning. Because I think most of the time, when people or when everyone, for example, just like me, when I was at school, I wasn't learning languages. I mean, I wasn't, for example, in my case, learning English properly. I got my English by just practicing through the internet and just getting a lot of comprehensible input. That's how I learned. You can see that right now. I'm not an expert. I don't sound that. I mean, I don't sound that good, but I think I'm doing great. I think like I'm actually getting a good level. Like I can express myself. But oh damn it, is this working or isn't? Yeah, I think it's working, but oh damn it. Anyway, if this video's audio isn't properly recorded, then I'm gonna delete this stream. But the important thing is that I'm getting all my thoughts outside of my head. I'm getting all my ideas properly expressed. Yeah, I think that the only message that I can give to people is like keep practicing, keep looking for a lot of content. Don't give up because, as I said before, math, for example, learning a language isn't just like math. It's not like there's a magic formula to do it. There's a lot of ways, and I think that the one that, at least in my country, schools are giving is not the right one. Mhm. Yes. Thank you for that person that's watching my stream. I appreciate that. And I hope you and all these people are having a good time. So see you later. Have a good one. Now let's just see if this was recorded properly. So goodbye. Hasta luego. Yep, I wanna end this up.